Pydantic AI agents, serving as the primary interface for interacting with large language models, orchestrate LLM behavior through a combination of static and dynamic system prompts. This code demonstrates configuring an agent with a dependency type, an initial static system prompt, and then dynamically extending its instructions at runtime using decorated functions. The following code will illustrate the initialization of an agent with a specified deps type and a base system prompt, followed by the registration of two dynamic system prompt functions that leverage the RunContext and current date to enhance the agent's conversational capabilities.
From DataTime import date. From Pydantic AI import agent, RunContext. Agent equals agent. OpenAI, GPT-5-2. Deps type equals SDR, #1. System prompt equals, use the customer's name while replying to them, #2. Add agent system, prompt #3. Def add the user's name text. RunContext SDR. Return F, the user's name is CTX, deps. Add agent system prompt. Def add the date SDR, #4. Return F, the date is date today. Result equals agent. Run sync what is the date. Deps equals Frank. Print result, output. Hello Frank. The date today is 20/30/20/102.
This code demonstrates how Pydantic AI agents utilize both static and dynamic system prompts to influence LLM behavior, integrating runtime context for personalized responses. The agent is initialized with a static system prompt and a deps type of SDR, indicating that a string dependency will be provided at runtime. Dynamic system prompts are then registered using the @agent_system prompt decorator, allowing functions like add the user's name to access runtime dependencies via RunContext and add the date to inject current information. The combination of static and dynamic system prompts ensures that the LLM receives both foundational instructions and context-specific details, such as the customer's name and the current date, before generating its response. When agent runsync is invoked with a deps value, the dynamic system prompt functions are executed. Their outputs are concatenated with the static prompt, and this combined instruction set guides the LLM to produce a tailored output. This approach allows for flexible and context-aware agent behavior without modifying the core agent definition for each interaction. Let's break it down.
From DataTime import date.
Imports the date class from Python's standard DataTime module, allowing for the creation and manipulation of date objects.
From Pydantic AI import agent, RunContext.
Imports agent and RunContext from the Pydantic AI library, enabling the creation of AI agents and access to their runtime context.
Agent equals agent. OpenAI, GPT-5-2.
An agent instance is being created and assigned to the variable agent, with its underlying large language model specified as OpenAI GPT-5-2.
Add agent system, prompt #3. Def add the user's name text. RunContext SDR. Return F, the user's name is CTX, deps.
The @agent system prompt decorator registers the add the user's name function as a dynamic system prompt for the agent instance. This function will be called at runtime to generate part of the system prompt, receiving a RunContext object typed to expect string dependencies, and returning a formatted string that includes the user's name from CTX, deps.
Add agent system prompt. Def add the date SDR, #4. Return F, the date is date today.
Decorates the add the date function, registering it as a dynamic system prompt for an agent instance. This means the function's return value, a string containing the current date, will be used as part of the system prompt provided to the LLM.
Result equals agent. Run sync what is the date. Deps equals Frank.
Calls the runSync method on the agent object, passing the string, what is the date, as the prompt and Frank as a dependency, then assigns the completed response to the result variable.
Print result, output. Hello, Frank. The date today is 2030-20102.
Prints the output attribute of the result object, which contains the completed response from an agent run. This Pydantic AI agent configuration demonstrates how to precisely control LLM behavior by combining static and dynamic system prompts. The agent is initialized with a foundational system prompt and a deps type to declare the expected runtime dependency. Crucially, dynamic system prompts, registered via the @agent_system prompt decorator, then extend these instructions. Functions like add the user's name leverage the RunContext to access runtime deps, while add the date injects current information. When agent runsync is called with a deps value, all these prompt components, static and dynamic, are concatenated, forming a comprehensive instruction set that guides the LLM to produce a tailored, context-aware output. This layered approach allows for flexible and personalized agent responses, without altering the core agent definition for each interaction, effectively enabling the agent to adapt its persona and knowledge based on real-time data.
Agent springs from system prompt, while at agent system, prompt functions unveil dynamic wisdom within its run context.